Is the Reset Suggested Content option missing from your Instagram? Don't worry, you're not alone. This feature allows you to reset your Instagram algorithm, but if it's not showing up, there are a few things you can try to fix it. First, make sure your app is up to date. Since this is a newer feature, you may not have it if your Instagram is outdated. Simply visit the App Store or Google Play Store, update Instagram, and check if the option appears in your settings. If your app is updated, but the feature is still missing, there could be a bug. On iPhone, go to iPhone Storage in your settings, find Instagram, and tap Offload App. This won't log you out. On Android, clear the cache and data for Instagram through your phone's settings. Then reinstall the app. If that doesn't work, the feature might not have rolled out to your region yet. You can try using a VPN to change your location to a country where the feature is available. If that doesn't work either, just keep your app updated and wait for Instagram to release the feature in your area. Hopefully, one of these solutions will help you get the Reset Suggested Content button back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.